How to uninstall or delete the IntelliJ IDEA application from your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can completely uninstall all the instances and as well as the application of the IntelliJ IDEA from your Windows 11 computer system. So in order to uninstall the IntelliJ IDEA from your computer system, the first thing that we need to do is head on towards the settings of our Windows 11 PC. So to do this, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and once the taskbar appears, you need to right click onto this start button. So right click onto the start button and you will see this option of settings from this menu. So simply click onto this settings option and you will be landed onto your Windows 11 settings. Now from here you can see this tab of apps. So simply click onto this apps tab right here and this particular page will open. And in this page, the first option that says installed apps also includes the settings to uninstall and manage the applications on your computer. So we need to click onto this first option of installed apps. So once you have clicked onto the installed apps, you need to search for that particular application that you want to uninstall. In this case, IntelliJ IDEA. So let's search here, and here you can see this is the application that we want to delete. So, and since we want to delete the IntelliJ IDEA 2025, you can also see the date on which it was installed. So in order to uninstall or delete this application, you need to click onto these three horizontal dots present over the right hand side of the IntelliJ IDEA application name. So once you will click here, you can see this option of uninstall. So simply click onto this uninstall button and this will produce a warning that says this app and the related info will be uninstalled. So simply click onto this uninstall button in order to proceed, and the moment you will do this, a dialog box will appear in which you need to click yes, and then the uninstallation process will begin. Here it is saying the uninstallation IntelliJ IDEA, and IntelliJ IDEA will be uninstalled from the following folder. So this was the parent folder where the IntelliJ IDEA was installed, and this action will uninstall the IntelliJ IDEA from this parent folder. Then apart from that, you have this option where you would like to delete the cache and settings. So if you don't have any plans of installing this into the future, or if you don't want the cache and the setting files to be present in your system, then I would recommend that you delete both of these options. This will make sure that each and every instance of the IntelliJ IDEA will be successfully deleted from your computer system. And then there is this option to share the uninstall feedback, which you can leave as it is. And then you need to click onto this uninstall button after you are done finishing up and choosing the suitable options. So click onto this uninstall button and here you can see the uninstallation process has successfully started. So if you also want to see the uninstallation details, simply click onto this show details button and it will show you the details, and here it says completed. And if you will notice in the background, then the IntelliJ IDEA application has been successfully removed from the installed apps list. So that means that the IntelliJ IDEA application has been uninstalled or deleted from the computer. So simply close this application, and now you can also close the settings of your Windows computer. So that's it for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, do consider giving this video a like. Tell us in the comments how it worked for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.